Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice scenery. This is a painting tools. You can see the canvas. It's a complete piece of wood. So this wooden piece I'm using as a canvas. On the other side you can see the wood, but I put the colors here. So the front side it looks amazing. Okay, let's put the dark blue color at the bottom here. Okay, I'm applying the colors for the whole surface. Also adding up the white color. Let's take the blend of white color here. All right. You can see the little variations of the color tones in the whole surface. Because this is a very rough texture, we're going to need more colors. Okay, and you can see the transitions of the colors. All right, so the color is dark ash, and the white portion here. All right, the yellow color is going to be here. All right, we're going to put lots of yellow here. As you can see, the surface is a rough surface, so we need lots of colors. Okay, putting up more yellow here on top. Mm-hmm. Okay, and red on the top part. The red color. We're putting lots of red. If you see, you can see the blending. Between red and yellow. All right. So the variations is coming up. And for the scenery, we're going to put some mountains here. Okay. This is going to be a dark color. Few birds that can fly. This is the one. Another bird I'm going to put here. And the bird on the red sky, flying higher. Okay. All right. Just adding up the color to the mountains. Okay. So you can see the progress. Now we need the little bit white color. Let's see, we need the white. Where is white? Okay. So we are going to put the moon on the sky with the white color. Let's draw a moon here with a white circle shape. Okay, so we're trying to make a nice circle. All right, and the reflections on the water you can show with this up to the end on the water. Let's make it little reflections like effect. So all right, some white maybe we can add up on the both sides, blend up with the canvas. Let's use the other canvas for blending. All right, okay, little more details is left for the smooth transitions of the colors. Let's apply some thinner. To make a nice transition. Thinners is making it really nice. Okay, also on this side too, applying the thinners, making the transition smooth. All right, so it's a moonlit sky, evening time, birds are flying in the sky. We have reflections over the water. We can see mountains in a far distance. It's a very nice environment, isn't it? Also, let's make it smooth. Okay, so you need to have patience during the drawing. After finishing the whole things, then you can see the beauty of the drawing you have done. Just wait for the end, and the drawing is going to be nice. All right. For the night sky, sometimes we put the glittering stars on the sky. Just few dots. that signifies many things. Okay. All right. So the drawing is almost done. Now I'm going to pull out the surface of the sides which I used for the borders. All right. In some places the color becomes little yellow, so we need to make it the darker. Okay, maybe we're going to use the tools to clear the borders here. Okay, let's put the colors here. So the outline is going to be really nice. And few details here. These are the like checking up after the final drawing is done. So little bit taking care of the whole canvas. All right. Now it looks good. Okay. All right. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for more updates. One more thing, sometimes you can see the bird may be going to be fade away, so you can put little bit more color for the birds. All right, so that it doesn't fade away. Like the V shape. Okay, taking an extra cares and the final touch. All right, this is good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on for more updates. You can also browse through the playlist, and we have lots of drawings out there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.